Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings to everyone. My name is Ali, and today I want to specifically speak up about Ahmed Rashid. I am one of the victims of Ahmed Rashid's torture, persecution, kidnapping, and extortion. Ahmed Rashid has done so many physical violence, tortures, physical beaten up he has done to me when I was in Kenya. Ahmed Rashid is an Ogaden individual who has frustrated so many other business investors who are not Ogaden. And he frustrates any Somalis who are not Ogaden just for purpose of collecting extortion. And if you do not comply with this extortion, what Ahmed Rashid does is he will threaten you, he will try to murder you, he will try to blackmail you, he will try to extort you, he will try to kidnap you. Ahmed Rashid is only at Pangani police station for the purpose of extorting Somalis. As you can see, I'm wearing this t-shirt for one reason. I am a victim of torture, persecution, blackmail, and extortion. Ahmed Rashid extorted and blackmailed me Kenyan shilling 1.8 million. Also, Ahmed Rashid kidnapped me, he abducted and kidnapped me in 2018, and he held me for several hours at Juja Road location. He physically beaten me up, he slapped me, he tortured me, he used rungus, he used all kind of things on his possession just to torture me and to threaten my life. He also used pistol on me, on my forehead, and also used a panga and tried to slaughter me with his panga. He placed a panga on my neck. All this he was doing just to threaten my life, put my life in a risk, and to intimidate me in order for me to stop filing more complaints against him. Ahmed Rashid does not go after anyone who is in Ogaden like Shahio. Any individual that is involved with drug dealings, smuggling, any other criminal activities that are Ogadens are being protected. But when you are not an Ogaden, Ahmed Rashid will frustrate you. He will harass you. He will intimidate you. This guy is a murderer, he's a killer, he's a rogue cop, he's a blackmailer, he's an extortionist. He's using this authority or this power just because he's an Ogaden. So many Somalis are victims of Ahmed Rashid. So I'm wearing this t-shirt with his image just to show you that I am one of his victims, and I'm wearing for other people who have been victimized by Ahmed Rashid. Thank you guys.